We have another example. This time we're supposed to find the total current. This is the current which will flow through the power supply, or simply the current which will go out of the power supply. Okay, so in this connection, okay, over here, okay, we are going to have I total, and I total is coming back to the voltage source. So in order to find the total current, I'm supposed to use KCL, okay, Kirchhoff current law for parallel circuit. So KCL for the parallel circuit looks like this. I total in this case is just simply I, and we have simply I1 plus I2 plus I3. So I have I total is equal 12 milliamps plus 18 milliamps plus 9 milliamps. Okay, the numbers are very simple, but I'm going to use the calculator anyway, because a lot of you have difficulties, okay, with entering the data into the calculator, especially if it comes to the values in terms of milliamps, microamps, and so on, if it comes to the engineering notation. So this is very important how you are going to enter this into the calculator. So I have 12, okay, and because I have milli, I'm supposed to press exponent exp. On some calculators you are going to see button EE. So I'm going to have times 10, and because this is milli, this is negative 3 plus 18 exponent negative 3 plus 9 exponent 3 negative. Okay, so this is equal, I got 39. Okay, I got 39 milliamps. Okay, and this is basically the value of the current, which I call I total, or this is in the circuit is I, and this is the value which is going to be measured by this ammeter. So this is my solution.